Hi guys, hope you're all well. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's had a good week. Just before we get into this week's project, just got a few things to say. Well, not say, show, do, whatever. I've had a few maker stickers come through, so I just want to go through those and just give those guys a little bit of a shout out. So the first one is Chris from Chris's Workshop. Don't know if you can see that. And then we've got Clint from Marston's Design. Then we've got Brian from Arbor Vintage. And then Kathy from One Girl and Her Tools. Sam from Twisted Craft UK. And then the legend himself, Mr. Heath Knuckles. So thanks guys for sending them through. In the next few days I'll get them on the sticker board and get it on Instagram and just do a small shout out for you guys. All their links for these channels will be in the description below, so go check them out guys. You know, these are great makers, and we all trying to stick together. Let's all help each other. I mean, at the end of the day, we are makers. There's no competition. It's just a bit of fun, really. So go and check these guys out. Subscribe to them. Help them like you've helped me, and then we can help each other. So that's what it's all about. And the good thing about makers is we might copy each other a little bit, but everybody's got their own little bit of individuality, which is great to hear. So thanks guys for sending the stickers through. I'll get these on Instagram and links in below. So anyway, let's get on with this week's project, and I'll see you at the end. I'm going to try a natural edge bowl this week. I've turned one before when I first started turning, and it didn't turn out too bad. I've had these blanks for a little while now, so this time they got used up, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn. I've seen a lot of people hack out the middle and then put their center point on the other side and then obviously turn the bottom. But what I want to do is I want to try and turn this out, or turn out enough so I can get it to hold in the chuck and then flip it. So and then I can do it the other way. So that's what I'm going to do at the moment. I'm going to try that and see how I get on with that. Well guys, didn't go quite to plan. Some of the bark came off, so I decided to take it right, well, nearly right down. I'll just clean that with a bit of sandpaper. So it wasn't as good as I thought it was. It's got a bit of where it's starting to go. But what I'll do is I'll sand and seal and hopefully that'll hold it back together. Let's see what it looks like. Well, there you go guys. Like I say, the bit of wood weren't quite as good quality as I thought it was. It was a bit soft in places. Yeah, we got there. And like I say, I wanted it as natural edge. But unfortunately, where some of the timber weren't very good, we've had to take the bark off. And but no, it's okay. No, we'll get it out and we'll have a better look at it. There you go folks. She's all done. The nice little splattered bowl. Like I said in the video, I really wanted to keep it as a live edge bowl, but unfortunately the wood was in a little bit of a bad state on there and there. It started to go soft, and I think where it's starting to go, I bought these blanks must be 6 months ago now off a line, and to be honest, I left them in the box. I didn't take them out and check them when I bought them. And I've took them out of the box and they're not as good as I thought they were. So, but I've put plenty of sand and seal in it, and it's hardened them up a little bit. So I'm hoping that's going to be okay. So we got our basic shape, and we then sanded from 80 grit to 240. And to be honest, I've left it at 240 because it's such a nice finish. So, and then we give it a coat of Yorkshire grit, and then I give it a coat of friction polish to finish it off. So it's got a lovely pattern in it. You know, I mean, it's a shame that them little bits have gone a bit soft, because it's a lovely piece of wood with the pattern in it. So no, I'm happy how it's turned out. I'm a little bit disappointed that I couldn't leave the natural bark edge on it, but you know, it's not been a waste. We have managed to recover it. I didn't take it right down. I have left part of the natural edge there and on there, so it's got a bit of character. And like I say, the actual splattered bit of it is quite nice. And something I'm now starting to do is I'm now starting to burn my name, well not my name, SK Krafts, and the month and the year of when I made it, because at the moment I've got loads of bits I've made, and I couldn't tell you when I've made them because I just can't remember. Without going back through all the videos, I can't remember when I made them. So hopefully that's a little bit better now. And I'm thinking about selling a few pieces as well, so I might put lot numbers in them as well, so I know exactly when I come to sell it what lot number it is. So but no, I'm going to start selling a few in the new year, I think, because at the moment I'm just making them for my own pleasure, but it's now getting to a stage where we've run out of space to put them, so so yeah, I need to get rid of a few. So anyway, that's this week's project. I hope everybody's liked it and enjoyed it. I do apologise if it's not very interesting. I made a few boring projects. Well, not boring projects. They're good projects, just not very experimental. They're same old, same old. So I do apologise. But I'm trying to get things done for in the next few weeks. So I do apologise. But hopefully through December that'll make up for it. So anyway, that's this week's project. I'll put some stills on at the end so you guys can get some better close-ups of it. So obviously if everybody liked, then like and share. To all my subscribers, thank you very much. Just keep doing what you're doing. The channel's gradually growing. I'm overwhelmed, let's put it that way. It's just growing quicker than I can imagine. So anyway, we'll have a brand new project for next weekend. No, next week, next Friday. I want everybody to have a great weekend. Take care, speak to you soon, and bye for now.